Hello, champs. How are you all? I'm sure you're doing absolutely great. So, in today's session, we are going to talk about long vowel sound U. Okay? So, you guys already know that we have 5 vowels in our English alphabet series. U is the 5th vowel, right? So, today we are going to talk about the long vowel sound U. Okay? So, now let's begin. So, long U as in blue. You know the color blue, right? It's this color of sky. So, long U as in blue. B-L-U-E. Now, we are going to talk about some other words which are also having long vowel sound U. Okay? So, the first word we are having is cube. C-U-B-E. Repeat after me. C-U-B-E. Great. The next word we are having is bull. B-U-L-L. B-U-double-L. Bull. The next word we are having is cute. C-U-T-E. Cute. The next word is jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. The next word we are having for this is full. This glass or this tub is full of water. Full. F-U-double-L. F-U-L-L. That's great. Now let's move forward. Okay. The next word we are having is glue. You know what is a glue? Right. You use it to paste things, right? So glue. G-L-U-E. Glue. Great. So now let's move forward towards the phonic drill. And you know the drill, right? You have to repeat the words after me. Okay? Let's begin. For the first group of phonic drill, we are having the words which are ending with either R-E or T-E. Before having it, the long vowel sound U. Okay? So let's begin. The first word we are having for the group 1 is cure. C-U-R-E. Cure. Okay? So the next word we are having is pure. Okay? This water is pure. P-U-R-E. Pure. The third word we are having is sure. S-U-R-E. Sure. The fourth word we are having is again cute. C-U-T-E. Cute. And the last word we are having is mute. M-U-T-E. That's great. So this was all for the first group of words. Now let's move forward towards the second group. For the second group of words, we are having multiple combinations of the ending. Okay? So let's begin. The first word we are having is mule. M-U-L-E. Mule. Okay? The next word we are having is rule. R-U-L-E. Rule. Okay? The next word we are having is fuel. We use fuel to run engines of vehicles, right? So the word is fuel. F-U-E-L. The next word we are having is fuse. F-U-S-E. Fuse. And the last word for this group of words is muse. M-U-S-E. Muse. Great. So this was all for the second group of words. Now let's move forward towards the third group of words. This group of words is either having D-E at the end or B-E at the end. Okay? So let's begin. The first word we are having is dude. D-U-D-E. Dude. Okay? The next word we are having is rude. You are rude. Rude. R-U-D-E. Rude. The next word we are having is cube. We have already done it, right? C-U-B-E. Cube. The next word we are having is tube. T-U-B-E. Tube. The next word we are having is lube. L-U-B-E. Lube. Great. Clap for yourself. So this was all for the phonic drill. Okay. Now let's move forward towards the reading part because reading is learning. So you know the rule, right? You have to repeat it after me. Okay, let's begin. Ruth had some fruit juice. Let's say it together. Ruth had some fruit juice. Then she had yogurt that was blue. Then she had yogurt that was blue. Great. Let's move forward. It was new and came in a tube. Great. Ruth went to the zoo. Ruth went to the zoo. She was a mule. She was a mule. Then she saw a bird that flew. Then she saw a bird that flew. Great! So this was all for the reading session. Now you have to make sure that you give it a read once again on your own so that this concept is clear by you. Okay? So now we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.